could subdue. You can swing your heavy mallet, and you can try to break the bone. But I'm the king of a mountain that I've claimed for my own. Yeah, from the first breath taken to the last one I draw, I'm an independent fire. I'm my own damn law. I see them in the valley, all lined up in a row, treading in their lightning, just to watch the garden grow. They're safe within the fences, but they lost the taste for salt. They think that living easy is a virtue, not a fault. I'm a heavyweight survivor on a jagged, broken shore. I was born for the battle, and I'm coming back for more. I was born to break away, born for the blue. I'm no out spirit that you never could subdue. You can swing your heavy mallet, you can try to break the bone, but I'm the king of the mountain that I paid for my own. Yeah, from the first breath taken to the last one I draw, I'm an independent fire. I'm my own damn